All right, guys, so I wanted to come on here and do a quick unbox review on my turkey inflatable costumes. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them off for review, so let's go take a look at them. So there is a pair in here, so if you and your partner want to do it, dress up, this would be great. I'll take one out and then I'll show them what they look once we actually put them on. Come with these easy to use blowers that you install right on here, right on this part right here. And like I said, you do get two of them. For the blower, you are gonna need 4 AA batteries for each costume. And then to actually install it, you wanna take this piece off. Then you'll take this one, we'll put it on the inside. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and tighten this up. We'll connect this to here, and then we're ready to go. And these are some of the hats that come with it. Like I said, you get 2 of them as well from the little turkey. So let's go ahead and actually try them out. All right, and this is what one of the inflatable turkey costumes looks like. First off, it'll work for just about anyone. It works for both teens and adults, covering from 4 feet all the way to 6.5 feet. Whether you're on the shorter side or taller side, it's built to accommodate a wide range of sizes comfortably. The material is made to handle all kinds of conditions. It is waterproof, so it's perfect for outdoor events, even if the weather isn't great. The zipper is strong on the back to keep everything secure while you move around, and the fire-resistant fabric adds an extra layer of safety, making it tough enough for any celebration. The costume also comes with 2 turkey hats, as you can see, a tom hat and a hen hat. You can mix things up depending on the event or your mood. These little extra details add extra fun and personality to the outfits, making it more memorable. The whole setup is straightforward and hassle-free, so you can focus on just having fun with the costumes. The costume is very lightweight and easy to move in, which makes it great for all kinds of events, family gatherings, parades, or just goofing around with friends. It's designed to be comfortable while still making a fun, big impact. But if you're looking for something fun and different to wear for your next holiday event, turkey costume checks all the fun boxes. From the durable material to the quick setup, it's built for laughs and comfort and convenience. So if you guys are looking for some fun, new costumes, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.